Alright, this is the second command that we're going to learn in Lab 7, which is the chamfer. The chamfer basically cuts an angle off. This tub shows a little round on each corner, but in essence what we're going to do is we're going to make an angle first. So this is step 5. We're going to chamfer that wall. So let's get started with AutoCAD. What I want to do is I want to zoom in a little bit just so we can see what's going on. So I'm going to zoom in to this area here. Escape. And what I want to do is I want to click on the chamfer command over here, chamfer, or I could type chamfer, without a P, chamfer. All right, and there's going to be two distances, so I want to enter distance, and we have an X distance and a Y distance. So I'm going to specify 6 inches in the X direction, and I'm going to specify let's say 2 inches in the Y direction. So now if I select my first line, notice the little square cursor, I select it, and then I select my second line. And we can see that it's put an angle on it. Now I can't just go around clockwise, I have to think which is the 6-inch side, so I'm going to hit enter to repeat the command. I'm going to click on the bottom line, and I'm going to click on the front line. And so you can see it maintains it. If I do it in the other order, it looks like that, so it's going to be different from what I want. So I'm going to hit the U for undo, and then I'm going to click on the chamfer again, and I'm just going to click on the top, the bottom, or the right. Now I'm going to click on the bottom. Oops, and hit enter to repeat the command on the bottom and the right. And that completes the chamfer lesson. Now what I can do is to smooth this out, I can also use my fillet. And let me set the fillet distance to 2 inches. And I'm going to do, let's go fillet. Let's cancel that for a sec. Hit escape, go to fillet. I'm going to type R for radius. And I'm going to type in 2 inches. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my first line and my second line. We can see that it smoothed it out a little bit. I'm going to hit return to do the same thing. Do the first and the second. I'm going to click on the, hit enter, click on the top line and that vertical line. It doesn't smooth it much because of the radius, but it will make a difference. So I'll hit enter again, click on this one and that one. Hit enter again to repeat. Hit enter again to repeat. Enter again to repeat. And I'm not sure if I did this one, so I'll do it one more time. This one and this one. And do this one and this one. And so now I have my bathtub is rounded out a little bit. So that's the goal for the lesson, and that completes the guided tour, so to speak. And at this point we've also gone on and did step 6. For step 7 I can go in and just fillet the outside. So I can go over to here and do the outside. And do fillet, do the outside corners. Oops, select the first object. I have to get 2 inches again. Select the first object. Hit enter to repeat the command. And there we go, our bathtub is done.